Okay, guys, we're gonna play 99 Nights. My brother's gonna play 99 Nights. I'll show you guys how he plays 99 Nights. Here, he'll do now. Do. Where's 99 Nights? Search. It's here.
It's the bed.
Here. Let's play now. Okay, he'll play 99 Nights, guys. Yeah. Okay, my first ever video with my brother. I mean, in Minute of Love. Let's put sound. Perfect. Let's join someone. Let's join them. Oh yeah, perfect. Girls teamwork. But he's a boy playing. He plays my Roblox account and what he just
I want to use my boy side.
No, you can't boy. But it's your bro. Oh, she's my friend. You just joined my friend, guys.
I want to do my sound.
Oh yeah, okay.
When I'm on this.
How are you a camper? You are a medtech.
Because I want to hear deer. My life.
Wait. Guys.
Hey, don't deer.
Guys, I don't know, but please comment that do campers have soup now? Like this soup. I'll show you.
No, you have.
What was that? Wait, what the heck? What is happening with the soup? It was like only vegetables you were holding, bro. Just cup some.
Bruh, you did.
How did she die without no reason, bro? Okay. Wait, they're twins, guys. I only noticed now they're twins.
Say here. Say here.
No, she just left. Go get some wood, kindson.
Oh, this go. Whoa. Please give me a pen.
Wait, what is happening with our game right now? It's lagging.
Yeah.
No, get some wood, kindson.
Yeah, I need get. I see.
I got some watts. I go to our cabin and wow.
I'm not dying anymore. I'm not dying anymore. I need even build a map.
Okay, guys, he has to build a map. He's very good at playing 99 Nights. He's not a pro, but I'm a pro. I need some money.
Why is money here?
You need money to buy from furniture data.
Please give me good art.
What does that say? I mean, good stuff. We already have our flashlight. Oh my god, Lord! I don't want anything of this. There's a. Oh,
Sam, you have no.
Get some coil, guys.
I'm searching, bro.
Guys,
You need flower, berry,
guys, he's very
and
stupid.
gift.
Guys, he's very stupid. Okay, just do that.
Then.
Okay, guys, let me come in a second. Okay, bye. Let me come in a second. I'm going.
I did some. What's his voice? Oh, his left. Do you get on my face? Do you get on my face? Bro, what the flip? What the flip?
Guys, oh my god, did you just see that? Yours butt?
What the flip do you doing?
Yeah, what the flip? What the heck? And
what the flip?
the deer just like bum. You show his buttock. His butt.
My food is so low. I need it. Oh.
No, why the chill waste your stew?
Now, give me bunny food, fish. I want
okay, guys. Let's do
Bro, what's this?
kindson aura.
What was no?
Bruh.
What's this?
happening? Let's do kindson aura, guys. Let's see if we get bunny food. Oh, okay, get another bunny food. Let's do my aura now, pretty aura.
My like glitching.
Let's do na kindson. Let's get some bunny. Let's
I
do.
want to kill this wolf.
Let's do Chrissy aura. It's so easy to kill them. Oh, guys, our game is lagging. Our game is not working. Guys,
Baba, you're gonna kill me.
our game is not working. Our glitch, bro. Literally, we're glitch. Bro, yes.
Are you serious? You're gonna put on my button.
Oh my god, that's why I know it's not working. That's why, guys, we have to rejoin another game. We have to rejoin. Wait.
Go do again.
Yeah, let's do it again. Let's play another. Let's do it again, bro. Bro, what the heck is doing this? I don't want to play this basketball.
Someone flick. But no one is.
Oh yeah, good. Let's play a troll tower.
No, 4 hours really hard.
Really, guys, he said that troll tower is really hard by dancing.
I need to help people.
Get some medic to help people who die. Yes.
I don't want to do myself. Go, I want to join you.
Look, oh my god.
What's here?
Very unlucky.
I'm going to.
Oh!
I'm flying that people.
Guys, we're standing.
Ooh. Ah!
We're jumping so high.
Why am I in top?
Oh!
Why am I in top?
Okay, 3 people only going. Yeah.
Get to here.
Guys, you may see that I don't have voice chat because I don't know. Oh my gosh, yeah.
What's this?
No, don't do anything. It's the voice. It's the
It's
screen.
doing.
Yeah, it's the screen recorder. It's recording our video.
My game's glitching. We can cut the wheel. What's the flip?
Oh my god, guys. He's not a professional. He's not a professional. He's a noob in this game. But somehow he survived 27 days. I don't know. No, guys. I was the one who survived 25 days. And he survived only like... He's only survived like 6, 7 days. Like, it's like 25, 26, 27, like 7.
No, let me.
Action. Let's say 6, 7.
6, 7.
Yeah, 6, 7, guys. We love this
doing?
meme.
What are you doing?
I love this
What are
meme
you
so much.
doing?
Oh, she's just wow. Mashallah, our map is so sweet. We don't have a campfire yet, that's why.
Some more, bruh.
Like, later on, it will be like video so much big, so much bigger.
You being rude me?
What are you doing? Let's get some wood. Whatever, there's something typing for me. Hi. They're saying hi. Hi. Let me see. No. Chocolate. Guys, why is not my cowbot working? Oh no! Oh my god, I hate this, bro. I so hate this, guys.
Hey, I want ask you. Hey.
Guys! Hassan! There's someone! Guys, what are you doing? Hassan! You can't do this! Oh my god, guys, he's so annoying. He's doing something. No, what you're doing?
What are you did it. I just did it.
No.
That boy size crazy.
Get some. What? What? We did some wood, guys. He's just doing this for fun. Oh my god, he's so stupid.
I think
Yeah. Where's all the...
is anyone? I
Put
don't
the
know.
wall. What are you sitting at, Ellen?
I just.
Oh, good start with a revolver. Wow, I see this revolver like
6.
you 6. Oh my god, 6. What are you doing? You should die in this game, guys. If he dies, then we're gonna play. We're gonna upload. We're gonna wait. I mean, what am I saying, bro? Guys, if you die, then we're gonna upload this video and we're gonna play another game that is Troll Tower. Guys, he's doing so such things. He's super sus. And by the way, he's my brother. He is my brother, my biological. He's my pure blood. But I hate him so much. He's very naughty. He always does something bad in my accounts. He got that thing, guys, but still, he's like this. I'm gonna slap this guy's head. I'm gonna slap him now. Why are you stacking the wood like this, bro?
What the flip?
Yeah, we have much. Wait, only to do it. You have only one wood. Hashem, you have to explore. You have to get some wood.
X-star.
X style. This is the X style.
Hey,
X style.
come. Oh no, you did.
What the heck? That she would like do like this leg like that. The Pal Trojan is alive today. He's alive today, and he will be dead tomorrow by tomorrow. Oh, 6 logs. Like 6 logs. Is it 6 or 7? Yeah.
It is no.
That feels like this and put in the grinder. Guys, I'm so tired hearing him talking. Get the sundial and the candle sundial.
I can't see anything. Oh,
Sundial. I said sundial. What in the world? Guys, he's doing nothing. I'm gonna
can I tell you something?
what? Shoot in his head.
I'm hungry.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
you're
die.
Stuff and die. That done.
Okay, this walk. Let's just die.
What? Congratulations.
Someone's gonna hear me.
Wait, guys, did you see her name is Christy? My name is Chrissy. Like, how is T-I-C-H-R-I is the I. Oh my god, guys. Her name is Christy. Everyone call me Christy. My name is not Chrissy, guys.
Oh no. I need to hear him.
Stop killing. Get a pill. Get a pill.
Just hit
Oh my
one.
god.
I just hit one.
Get some. Get.
Give me good.
Good. Stop. Good set. Oh, spear. Wait, where is the spear now? No. Yeah, we're gonna kill the bunny and the wolf like a spear style. Night is approaching. Okay. The pole traders are gonna leave. Bye bye. Guys, I don't know what he's doing. He's just walking straight into the wall. Dong.
I only see this wolf. Look at me.
You know that. Eat that. Eat! You're so hungry.
I almost lost your fire. I see the sound.
Eat pork. Eat carrot. No, stop with that. Alright, guys. We say it at the same time. Ho.
Why you want
Hello?
to
We're gonna get the sketchy salesman. Wow, sketchy salesman. Like bubble tea, Nali, Tesla, Nali, fried chicken, Nali, maybe like
diamond.
gang gong 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 gang.
Diamond.
I don't want any diamonds. I don't want any of the picking. You that. Oh my god, why you that? Why you that?
My hands low.
Yeah, and they're hitting me. You that. You that.
Are you dead, my hungry soul?
Yeah.
That's good.
So bad.
Mama, I can't only walk. I'm dying. Someone help me. Someone help me. Someone help me. Someone help me.
Christina!
Yummy, Yukishi.
Shut the hell up!
My food's so low.
You're not even low. Why you always die? Yo guys, you're gonna die again. Why you do that? And by the way guys, my battery is very low.
Buddy. Start doing some
Guys, bye bye. I'm going to let him play himself.
Come.
Bye.
Come.
Bye.
I do myself. What are people? Actual people? Or people this? You know? I think he's busy. What is that?
Wait, what did he say?
I don't know.
He said let's rescue the kid.
He's a safe kid.
Can I please do this? Please.
I think he's busy.
Wait, let me check. Where's the kid?
Check him up. We can
He's not. Wait, I'm coming.
There's so many walls. Teen Anybody's size dead.
Wait, I'm not dead. Stop this. What? Stop?
Look at this size doing some more regen.
Wait, how am I stuck inside this? You guys saw that or what? Like, what's this, bro? I'm dead, guys. I'm dead. Let's just leave this game, guys. Oh yeah. Don't leave. Don't leave. She said don't leave. She said don't leave. She said don't leave. She said come. So, oh, she's dinosaur now. Oh yeah, I'm dancing like a
English this.
I'm not. You guys see my face? You guys see my normal face? You guys see my normal face?
Oh my god, he's still alive. I died trying.
Oh my god. Leave. Guys. Okay, done. Recording done. Wait. Yes. Done. Wait. Oh my god. Wait, the phone not working. Bye. Say bye.
No!
Okay.